The muscles of the gluteal region are organized into two layers, superficial and deep. First, we will know about the muscles of the superficial layer. The superficial layer of muscles consists of three large muscles and the tensor fascia lata. The muscles are Gluteus Maximus, Gluteus Medius, and Gluteus Minimus. Tensor fascia lata is also a muscle. Don't confuse it to some non-muscular structure because of its name. The Gluteus Maximus originates from the gluteal surface of ilium and from the dorsal surface of the sacrum and coccyx. It leads to a structure called iliotibial tract, which is a thick band of connective tissue. Most of the fibers of the Gluteal Maximus end in iliotibial tract, which inserts into the lateral condyle of tibia. Some fibers are inserted on gluteal tuberosity. The main action of Gluteus Maximus is to extend the thigh, and it also assists in lateral rotation. The next muscle is Gluteus Medius. Gluteus Medius arises from the gluteal surface of ilium, between anterior and posterior gluteal lines. It is inserted on the lateral surface of greater trochanter of femur. Next, we have Gluteus Minimus. Gluteus Minimus is present below the Gluteus Medius. Gluteus Minimus also arises from the gluteal surface of ilium between anterior and posterior gluteal lines. Like the Gluteus Medius, it is also inserted on the greater trochanter of femur, but on the anterior surface. The Gluteus Medius and Gluteus Minimus collectively act to abduct and medially rotate the thigh. Next, we have tensor fascia lata. This muscle originates from the anterior superior iliac spine and from the anterior part of iliac crest. It is inserted on the iliotibial tract. This muscle tenses the fascia lata, which is a deep fascia of the thigh. It also abducts, flexes, and medially rotates the thigh. My dear students, remember that Gluteus Maximus is supplied by the inferior gluteal nerve, while Gluteus Medius, tensor fasciae lata, and Gluteus Minimus are supplied by the superior gluteal nerve. We will discuss the muscles of the deep layer of gluteal region in our next video. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of the topics.